Hi, today I'm going to talk about a new feature called Vainu Company Insights. This new feature allows you to generate insights on a list of companies and see the similarities between the companies in that list. And you can use any type of filter or any type of list that you're looking for to generate these insights. So you could either upload a list. A good example here would be if you have a list with all of your current customers and you wanted to see what are the similarities between those companies. You can just upload a list and then follow the instructions that you see here in order how to upload. Or you could generate a list based on the filters in Vainu. In this example, I'm going to use the filter with our CRM integration to HubSpot. So I've actually selected all of the companies that I have in HubSpot, which is 512. I could have looked at all of the companies that have an open deal or a one deal, so there's different filters I could do there. But in this case, I'm just going with all of my companies in HubSpot to see what are the similarities between these. And the next step is to go here, the button that says Insights. And from here, I get a better understanding of the companies. So I can see the size, I can see their revenue, I can see the most common Vainu custom industries, I could see the most common official industry code. I can see what type of technologies they're using. Of course, a lot of companies have Outlook and Google, so maybe no shocker there. But a significant amount is actually using HubSpot, which might be good for me to know. I could also do it like this to see all of the technologies that Vainu have selected out of these companies. And I can also see where they are located based on their headquarters. So this then is good to know because then you can easily translate what filters you would like to use to identify more companies that are similar to your current customer base. We can take another example. Let's say if I didn't have an integration today and had uploaded a list instead, I can go here to custom list. I've made a list, I just call it my list, which as we can see is totally different from the earlier list, which also then when we go to insights, generate totally different type of insights. So here we can see instead of manufacturing, it's hospitality, it's hotel, it's restaurants, which also then correlates with the official industry code. And again, I can see all of the technologies and the locations. So I think this is a really good feature, especially in the beginning, if you're trying to learn out with Vainu and you want to understand more about what filters are the most valuable for you and your business. I really recommend you trying out this feature.